Hey, it's your boy Joey. It's been a little while again. I have a video to edit, but my hand, everything about it, between the pain, not being able to do stuff with it, having to deal with my doctor, and I'm gonna have to just work, sucks. Put me in a bad mood, so I didn't do much, and I had more computer issues, but I got those all solved. Video eventually about those. But we're gonna start cleanup, my winter cleanup, because I end up just stashing stuff here because it's too cold outside. We're gonna do a first mow of the season, and move this stuff so Dad can fix the window up there. We're also going to get all the scrap metal into the new trailer today. What else are we gonna do? I don't know. That's what we're gonna start with. It might rain. We'll see. The pretty flowers are coming out. You can see that one there, and the butterfly bush. Can't remember what it's really called. Lilac? I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna get started on this. I can't find my headphones or earmuffs. Ear protection muffs, whatever you want to call them. So I got these in. I don't mow for very long, so it's not that big a deal, but I like it. These help. I get music or podcast too. But because it might rain again, I'm gonna get this started. See if I can't at least get the yard mowed. The first mow of the season, like I said. But yeah, we'll be back. All right, we're back. I'm pooped. My lungs aren't great. We still got to get that figured out, but they're doing better. We started cleaning this up. Mike loves to sit on this, and I got my workout stuff, or some of it, out. I want to build some sort of patio thing. Probably just get a few more skids and do that, and get some super thin wood like this. What is this? 1/4 inch? I don't know. So it's a nice flat surface. So I got a spot I can chill. Mike can be happy. Level it out a little better. We're gonna get the steps set up. Ooh. So I have a nice walkway, so I don't track a bunch of garbage in there and just ruin the grass. This is from where I buried it. Hoping more of this fills out with grass this season. Yeah, the yard's looking pretty good. This is gonna go to the Yee garage. The mower needs a bath. This I'm gonna let grow out for a while. Gotta fix this, but for now it doesn't really matter because it's summer, so that stuff's not freezing. Mr. Woodchuck, I think he's still in there. He's dug pretty far. I haven't seen him in a long time. Mikey, I don't know if he knows about him. I've heard they're angry. Pretty flowers again. We'll have to do some tree trimming. I try to get rid of all these saplings every year. Here's these. These are really pretty too. Go around. Didn't do anything here. Is that a potato? I think that's a potato. Funny story about potatoes and just throwing them in the yard. I did that when I was way younger in the backyard in a spot, and they started growing. This trailer's all garbage. This wood was not protected at all. It's not good, so I'll pull the axle off, try and sell that. I try and sell the spare tire for it, but the rest of it is either going to be scrapped or probably burned up. I got to see if we can do a bonfire at the Yee garage. Ooh, almost fell. This is a tanning bed that I'm probably just going to give away, or see if I can sell it for like $100 just to get it out of here. As you can see, I still need to fix the wiring. I should pull that out, but it's heavy. My hand's still messed up. but I definitely need a really nice drop hitch. I'm not gonna go with the ball portion. I'm gonna do one that's this side. It goes, or drop receiver, I guess that's what it would be called. But it's CNC aluminum, comes out of there, goes down, and I've got like 4 levels I can choose because I want to treat this trailer right. And my truck is pretty tall and I want it a little bit taller. And eventually I would like to chop that off and have it built into the flatbed higher. Well, yeah. We know I don't really like this flatbed, but you know, using what I got. We got most of the scrap metal in here. We don't go very far, so I'm not worried about it falling off, and I don't go on the highway. We got most of the small stuff in there. The gate's working better. I do want to put better grease in there. That's for another day. We're getting it titled this week. So yeah, plan is to bring that tire changer, the engine hoist, the engine stand that's back there. My buddy wants to bring his motor over to the Yee garage and start working on it. I don't know what else we're gonna start with over there. I might try and sell these wheels again. They were gonna be on the Jeep. Yeah, slowly we're gonna start getting crap out of the garage. Oh, that's gotta go in the backyard. That's the bench. And I gotta find the hand things as well. Oof! This is full of shit, apparently. Yeah. Slowly getting things done. If my hand and my lungs were better, I'd be able to do more. But you know, I do what I do. We're gonna go do some nerd stuff, server stuff. Get that going. Probably go to sleep soon and deal with stuff tomorrow. Editing video. Hopefully gonna go to the junkyard and get a CV shaft. It's 36 bucks. I can get like 4 of those with going to the junkyard. Same cost as a brand new unit. And I know I'm gonna shatter more of them, break more of them. And if I have a bunch of them, I'm not gonna worry about it because they're super easy to swap out. Yeah, plan is to get 1 or 2 of those tomorrow. The sides are interchangeable, so that's why I want to get like 4 of them eventually. But even if I just get 1 and swap that in and throw that as a spare, limp home on that, or maybe I'll take that one apart and make a stubby shaft to hold the bearing together if I blow one up. That's probably what I'll do because that one's missing a bearing cap. I'll show you when I do it. But anyways, oh yeah, we gotta work on the Nissan. This side bearing is bad, the unit bearing, which is not surprising. Last year we did the driver's side, I believe. Yeah. We gotta do brakes on Jennifer's car too. They've been sitting in a box in the house since my hand, this hand, but yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna go. I'll do the server stuff and chill because breathing is hard. Don't take for granted if you can breathe easy and without having asthma. Yeah, but slowly we're cleaning this place up. My goal is to make it look pretty nice before I leave. Hopefully within the next couple months. As this month ends, it should start getting sunnier and warmer. Wearing shorts, I've gained weight, so I'm not as cold. And yeah. That's it for now, I guess. I'm gonna peace out. Catch up with you tomorrow, maybe. We'll see. Hey, we back. I'm sitting. I'm sorry. I should be more professional. Just kidding. Meal prep we got the coffee done. We got the start of a morning fruit shake thing. We got chicken fajita taco mix going on in here. Come to the fridge. I've got my milk prep done. This is Spanish rice. Yeah. We got fresh cut strawberries. So we're sitting pretty good right now. It feels good with what I have and what I use for this stuff. I should be able to do this every week and switch it up a little bit. I do have, that's frozen chicken breast. Chuck it in there. I'll just shred it up with some forks. Put it in with those containers. That'll be my work lunch. I'll have a coffee and a fruit smoothie for breakfast. The strawberry snackies. My last break, I'll have goldfishies, and when I get home, I'll probably eat a bowl of cereal or something. We'll see. Still figuring this out. My days off, still not great about eating on my days off because I don't have a structured life. But yeah, clothes are in the dryer right now, so I think while this finishes cooking up, dishes are done. Except for these, I'll get these done. I'll edit these 2 videos and get them uploading. And in a couple hours, probably go to sleep. I've been doing very well lately. This week and last week, waking up by 3 a.m. on my days off, which keeps my days off pretty good. Or my schedule pretty close to the same. I did get a front CV shaft from the junkyard. That took way too long. We'll talk about that when I put that on. Show you some tricks. It was really cool. But yeah. Oh, we got one other thing I gotta do. I got the rebuild kit for this. I gotta put that in. So I'm gonna get the first video edited from a couple weeks ago. I was gonna do it the other day, but I had some issues with the computer. I found out what it is. That's another thing. Ugh, whatever. And get that exporting, and then I will do this because it only takes about 10 minutes to take it all apart and put it back together. Yeah. So this bad boy's been working too. And this, really happy about that. We're still not using this that often. I've only made 2 with it so far. The last one, after like 4 or 5 days, was covered in mold. I don't know what happened with that. So, yeah. Want to get the bags. But I got the regular sandwich bread. We got the hot dog buns in there. These are some extra work snackies I bring, just in case I'm extra hungry that day. But anyways, I'm gonna peace out, get this stuff done. We will talk to you next week.